Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you are a Galaxy S23 Ultra user, so today in this video I will show some of the Galaxy AI features available with the OneUi 8.5 update. By the way, if you haven't already, so you can update it by simply going into the settings of your device, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. By the way, there are some limited features available with the OneUi 8.5 update. Not all features are available like the Galaxy S24 to S26. First thing that you will notice after the update is the smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. Next up, there are some multiple customization options available in the control panel. Swipe down and tap on this edit option over here and you can customize the control panel the way you like it. You can customize it both horizontally and vertically. Previously, there were only limited customizations available in the control panel, but now you can customize it the way you like it. Not only that, the slider animation of the volume and the brightness has also improved a lot, as you guys can see. Next up, if you go into the gallery, then tap on this Galaxy AI option over here. So there's this new menu option available with this glow effect over here, and this new option of create is also available, by which you can give it a prompt to add anything. For example, I will quickly give it a prompt to add more flowers in the photo, and as you guys can see, it has added more flowers into it. You can do multiple edits using this Galaxy AI features, and not only this, there are multiple other features also available, like you can move or use the AI eraser. Next up, if we talk about the UI changes, so you will get to see this pill-like menu or search bar in almost every app. For example, in the clock application, you get to see this option over here in the pill-like menu. Also, the UI of the clock application has improved a lot. If you talk about the calculator app, so you get to see this glow effect when you type any button over here. If you talk about the file manager, so you will get to see some more UI improvements over here as well. Also, in the manage storage option, you will get to see this new improved UI. I must say that the UI with the OneUi 8.5 update has improved a lot. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. And that's a wrap for today's video. By the way, I have used the Galaxy S24 Ultra to make this video, as the S23 Ultra was not available at the moment. And almost every feature must be available in the Galaxy S23 Ultra as well. And if it is not, correct me in the comment section below and let me know your favorite feature with the OneUi 8.5 update on the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the comments below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.